The baby was bit?
Yeah.
Why was the baby hurt?
He's got injuries. The kid's got injuries.
July 14th, 2024. Officers arrived to check on a child's safety after a disturbance call, only to discover details that changed the direction of the entire investigation.
I think there's a window on that side of it.
Someone could jump out that way. Because I think there's a balcony. Like a, well, it's an accessible. I don't think it's, I mean, it didn't on this one. The guy had to defend himself. Who's the plane that said that? I'm gonna look at through the window. There's more over here.
Can you see anything?
No, all the windows are blind. No lights are on.
These don't have traditional keys.
I saw they turned off the lights. Yeah. So lights were off, and then went back, I checked again. They turned the lights on for the bedroom, and then they turned back off. I could see that there's like a mail changing or something, and they cut off the lights. Sheriff's office, come outside. Flashing back.
I know. That was kind of nice. I'm gonna try and call that number. If they don't answer, can you at least try and see like if you can hear anything from over there?
Sure.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone.
He was wearing a white long sleeve t-shirt apparently, but he said he's on chain.
Oh, that's what the complaint said.
Yeah.
So she did see him?
One of them did. Not the initial complainant, but the next one.
Oh, okay. So this next complainant saw.
And then the baby is like, I guess maybe a year old tops.
They saw the baby?
Yeah, he was running with the baby in his arms, asking people to help him. She was chasing him down, fighting for him, and he like pushed her away.
Hit him with the roll.
It's the Lake County Sheriff's Office. If you don't come to the front door now, we're going to kick the door in. This is the Lake County Sheriff's Office. Come to the front door now and exit the apartment. If you do not, we will make entry into your apartment.
Following up with him.
That's why we have that thing. Did anybody see them go into this apartment? I know that you saw the people in there. Did you see any injuries or anything like that? It's Lake County Sheriff's Office! Dude, go get that number. Try to make contact on the phone.
Hang on, I probably have it.
The number?
It refuses that. I've got the last note.
Sheriff's office, come to the door! Hands! Get everyone else in here with you!
Walk out, fellas, right now! Walk out to us now!
Walk that way. Walk that way. Walk that way.
Lake County Sheriff's Office, anybody in here next up now? Come out with your hands up!
Put your handcuffs right now.
I don't care, come out with your hands up!
Here, we're gonna step back here.
Take him out there and interview him.
Where?
Yeah.
Alright, that's fine. What's going on, man? Why you guys come to the door?
We scared.
Scared?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir.
You scared of her?
No.
Well, we found a trail of blood. You alright?
Yeah, that was after the fact. I just had got home. I had went to work, came back. I guess she got into it with it. And just...
So it's not you that's bleeding?
No. It was the baby.
The baby was bleeding?
Yeah.
Why was the baby hurt?
I guess she got hurt by something when they was in there touching her, or whatever the case may be.
Okay. There's cameras out here, so if you're lying, you're gonna go to jail. You understand that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it wasn't you arguing.
I came in after the fact and went to talking everything, like basically telling it like when I came outside, to let people know to call the police because I was panicking, you know, about being hurt. I just got in from doing trash at Phoenix, down the road in Winter Garden. Like I said, so I'm just scared, just nervous.
Okay.
I didn't know what was going on. I don't deal with the police. But I ain't did nothing. I don't do nothing. I was just trying to protect.
How bad is the cut? Does they need EMS to check it out? Does it need stitches? Well, I would like them to look at the baby. The baby, if the baby's hurt, I want paramedics to check out the baby.
The baby's the one that's bleeding?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have the paramedics come check out the baby.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're not under arrest, all right? We just got a lot of stuff going on. Due to the fact of what just happened and that you're in handcuffs, okay? I'm just going to read you your Miranda warning. Doesn't mean that you're under arrest or that you're in trouble.
And your recording is on?
Yes.
Okay. So you're reading my Miranda rights for. So why did you put me in handcuffs?
To secure you.
But it's,
based on what we've got going on here.
But
Hold on. We've been knocking on the door.
Correct. Yes. And I've been scared.
Mm-hmm.
I've been scared.
So right now we're dealing with a situation.
Okay.
I don't know what's going on.
Right.
But because I put you in handcuffs.
Okay.
I'm just going to read you this warning. Doesn't mean that you're under arrest.
Okay.
Here
My
he
kids are
is.
scared and I'm scared. So that's why I didn't answer.
That's why you didn't answer the door?
I'm scared.
That didn't turn out any better, did it?
I'm not familiar with like this kind of stuff. So.
I've been calling you.
And I answered I answered on my daughter's phone.
I called you 10 times.
Exactly. And I answered, I can show you proof on my daughter's phone that I answered. But for some reason, her audio, I've been calling her today, she can't hear me. So you can hear me, but I can hear.
No, it went to voicemail. It wasn't that you picked up.
Oh, no, I picked up and I called back. No, I picked up multiple times and I called back.
So you weren't the guy that the witnesses saw running around with the baby in your arms, just like
Yeah, I came in after the fact. That was already after the fact that happened. I had just walked in, and I didn't hear. I just heard her screaming and yelling like what was going on. I seen
You were out here or inside?
inside.
So you weren't outside at all?
Yeah, I did come outside. That was after the fact. I came out here telling because I seen somebody in the car. So I was telling them to call the police. I was nervous. You know,
So then why wouldn't you open the door for us? This isn't making any sense.
What do you mean?
We've been here this whole time. You didn't open the door.
I was nervous.
We thought that you were injured.
Yeah.
So
I didn't want to be in the middle of it.
well, you told her to call the police.
I did.
Sure, this ain't adding up.
Yeah.
I think that you all were in the argument.
No, I don't think so.
People were calling up saying that
Yeah.
that you were saying, or somebody was saying something about stabbing a guy or something like that. And if you had the baby in your
I got
arms,
blood on me because I have a baby on me.
I understand that, but I want to know how the baby got the injury.
Oh, I don't know. Like, I wasn't here.
You've been here this whole time. You didn't ask.
No, I'm saying that obviously something happened with the baby. That was the first thing I asked.
Okay, so what happened to the baby?
I don't know. I guess she fell on something.
We've got a lot to figure out because he's got injuries, the kid's got injuries. There was a bunch of witnesses going around saying that a female was chasing a guy around with a kid in their arms, kind of like how he's holding the baby now, and that the male was saying, "Don't stab me."
No.
Okay, well that's why we're here. You had the chance to open the door.
How do I have a warrant all of a sudden? I don't know. That is a lie. I've been paying my child support every week, bro. I don't have no warrant, bro. Y'all know I don't have no warrant.
We're sending it off for confirmation right now.
Y'all know I don't have a warrant.
No, sir, we're not making it up to you.
You are making it
No,
up.
we're not.
I'm walking to the police car, sir, in the rain with no shoes on. With no shoes
Put it in
on.
your car.
But you said I
You're
wasn't
just-
detained, so why would I go in the car?
Well, you are detained.
For what?
I said you're not under arrest.
Okay, so what am I detained for?
No, she's on the phone. Here,
Our
let's put her in
investigation.
mine.
Please.
Sir, please.
Have a seat, please.
Sir.
We're going to get right back to you. Have a seat, please.
And I feel like you're not behind. You know how I go. Come on now.
Have a seat,
You know
please.
how I go. I'm
I don't
telling
know
you,
Have a
the
seat,
perpetrator just drove past you guys.
Okay, well, we've been outside of your house for like 40
And I've been
minutes.
scared. I didn't know what. I didn't want. I didn't want them. I didn't know if he was outside. I didn't know if her dad was outside or anything. I see you, but I'm scared.
Okay, well, scoot your.
I'm scared.
Put your legs in.
Over the phone, you tried calling us multiple times after the fact. Why didn't you talk to dispatcher?
I'm scared. Well, no, I told him the phone died. When I called back, the phone died. The phone died.
Have a seat for now.
Let me hop under here with you guys. Alright, so which one did you call? Were we both there?
Yeah, we were both there,
okay.
yeah.
Alright.
I tried to call, but...
I gotcha. Well, then we'll start with you, and if you need to pop in and say anything, just go on with it, okay?
Yeah.
So, what all did you see here to start from the beginning and run us down?
See anything. We were both going to go pick up our friend at the airport, so we opened up the door and immediately heard screaming.
Open up the apartment door or the car door?
Our apartment door.
Okay.
Because we're right above them, basically.
Okay.
Yeah. So we open up the door and we hear screaming, wailing. Don't touch me. Get away from me.
Male voice or female voice, we couldn't tell?
We couldn't tell.
Okay.
We thought it
sounded like a guy
Yeah.
voice first. He was like, "Get the knife away from me," and then
Stop smacking me! Stop smacking me! And we go smack. Like, and I look at each other, we're like, we're gonna kind of shut the door, but we like kept it like cracked open, so we keep hearing what's going on. And then like it just wasn't dying down. There's a baby crying, and what it sounded like the whole time. So they were screaming back and forth. Boy, that knife is so close. Get the knife away! They were like, call the cops! Call the cops!
I just got here. I have proof. If you want to get my phone.
We were here the entire
for 30
time and
minutes.
nobody came out.
Okay, I just got here before y'all got, right before y'all got
Even
here.
if you just got there, you still have to open the door.
Listen, this isn't my home. This isn't my home, first off.
So you don't have legs that can walk to the door?
First off, I didn't know what was going on. I don't know nothing about nothing. Y'all can't do none of that. Y'all are trying, bro. Y'all can keep trying this crazy stuff that y'all are trying with me, and y'all know it's going, that's cap. I had proof that I was at a whole job when all this supposedly transpired, bro. And then y'all are hitting me with some other, how do I have a warrant for something that I'm paying?
It's a writ for child support.
When did can you tell me the day that the warrant came out now?
Sure. How about you tell them about what happened today while I look that up?
Yeah.
Why you letting me take everything from me? I work, I bag, I I'm in the Holy Spirit. Why you letting me? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus Christ. I told this man, the girl told me, the woman officer told me that he would be able to speak to me. You guys had me in the car for hours. You didn't ask any questions, we scared it. Nobody gave any of my side. Nothing. Don't leave about it, don't be one, sir. Whatever they told you, the neighbors, they was not out there the whole time. They was not out there. I'm not no criminal. They say Charlie.
Oh, man.
Later, officers arrested both adults. They were charged with domestic battery, child abuse, endangering the welfare of a child. For more cases like this, hit subscribe.